A very good day to everyone. This is about topic 11 in incomplete record and single entry system. So actually this one, it refers to any kind of bookkeeping not in compliance with the double entry system. Okay, so the business will which do not have any written record of bookkeeping or have used the single entry systems. So the effect of by using the single entry systems, it will cause the incomplete record. Okay, so the first effect is the trial balance cannot be extracted. When errors are committed, we are not aware of it. Okay, this is the first disadvantage of using single entry system. Okay, now the second one would be the calculations of gross profit and net profit will be more difficult as the information of sales, purchase, expenses, and revenue is not easily obtainable. Okay, so the third disadvantages is we are difficult to ascertain the financial standing of the business since the information on the business assets and liabilities cannot be easily obtained. In order to find out the profit and loss in the incomplete record, we shall use some kind of method to find out the profit and loss. So the first method is the capital comparison method. As you see my notes here, this method is to compare the opening capital and closing capital. Therefore, the question for this kind of method do not have information about the cash or the bank account. Okay, so let's see what is the capital comparison method. This is to compare the opening capital and its closing capital at the end of the accounting period, and if the closing capital is more than opening capital, it shows that the profit for the business. It means here, if ending capital greater than the beginning capital, we get the profit is this one. Okay, so now look at the third sentence. If the closing capital is less than opening capital, the business had a loss. So it means that, okay, if the ending capital lesser than beginning capital, it means that the business got lost. Okay, now this is the fourth step. This is the fourth step to calculate the by using the comparison method. Okay, step 1 to calculate opening capital, step 2 calculate the closing capital, step 3 to calculate the profit or loss, step 4 prepare statement of financial positions. So this is 4 steps in the comparison method. So this is the formula for the comparison method. So we use the basic formula, capital equal to assets minus liabilities. The capital here refer to the owner's equity. Then we go opening capital equal to opening assets minus opening liabilities, and B, closing capital equal to closing assets minus closing liabilities. C, profit or loss is closing capital plus drawing minus additional capital minus opening capital. So remember that if we use the basic formula, this is only for our understanding. In PSPM, we must do it in account way. Do not use this mathematic way. So mathematic way, this one is for our understanding only. When we do the questions, we must use the account way. Okay, so for this one, profit or loss. Okay, so this one, as you see here, if profit or loss statement, we may use the ending capital plus drawing minus additional capital minus opening capital, then we get your net profit. Okay, actually this one is the reversing of the statement of owner's equity. So remember this one. So in this capital comparison method, it's only compare between the ending capital and opening capital. No others item such as bad debt. As you see here, this is the financial position statement, yeah. Okay, so in your owner's equity, you write opening capital plus your additional capital minus your net profit or loss, then minus your drawing, then you get your ending capital. Okay, remember, as I say in PSPM, okay, we must do in the account way, do not do in the mathematic way. Let's see example 1 in your tutorial book. Sharika Swasana started its batik business in 2016. Following are the details about the company. Okay, the capital on 1st January 2016 is 4,000. Capital on 31st December 2016 is 5,600. So calculate the profit or loss for the year 2016. So this is the answer for example 1. So this is profit or loss statement for the year 2016. What are you going to do is the capital on 31st December 2016, 5,600 minus capital on 1st January 2016, and you get your net profit 1600. Okay, 1,600. Remember, yeah, in PSPM you have to do it this way. Do not do it in the mathematic way. Okay, so the mathematic way is like this. Okay, ending capital minus beginning capital, and you get your profit or loss. Am I right? 5,600 minus 4,000 equal to 1,600, and this is your profit or loss. This is only for your understanding. In your answer of PSPM, you must do it this way. Remember, do it this way in your PSPM. Now look at example 2. The details of Syarikat Abu is as below. Okay, capital on 1st July 2017 is 4,000, drawing 500, additional capital is 1,000, capital on 30 June 2018 is 5,600. Calculate the profit or loss on 30 June 2018. So this is the example, the answer for example 2. So we shall put it in the account way. The capital on 30 June 2018 is 5,600 plus your drawing. Okay, you got 6,100, then minus your additional capital 1,000, and your capital on 1st July 2017 4,000. So all together is 5,000. So this one minus this one, and you get your net profit 1,100. Okay, this is the account way to do the questions. Of course, we have the mathematic way, but this is for your understanding only. If you use the mathematic way, will be your net profit equal to ending capital plus drawing minus additional capital minus beginning capital. Okay, this is the mathematic way. This is for your own understanding only. Okay, now look at example 3. Example 3 is about the Mesra Enterprise Commerce business on January 2017. Based on the following information, prepare a statement of profit or loss as at 31st December 2017. Okay, so this is the information given here. Okay, net here refer to net lah. Okay, selepas tolak accumulated depreciations ya. So Now additional information is about every month Ahmad withdraw 300 and 300 cash and stock 100 for his private use. Okay, Ahmad contributed a further 2,500 cash as capital. Based on the information in example 3, okay, so you are required to calculate opening and closing capital. B. Prepare a statement to calculate profit or loss and the period ended 31st December 2017. So C. Prepare statement of financial positions for the period. A. To calculate the opening capital on 1st January 2017, so this is what are we going to do. Our asset balance, okay, balance at bank is 1,000, account receivable 3,900, inventory 5,600, and your fixture and fitting is 4,400. So your total will be 14,900. So your liability minus your liability is account payables 5,200. Therefore, your opening capital will be 9,700. For your closing capital on 31st December 2017, your asset balance of bank is 3,850, account receivable is 4,000, inventory is 6,800, and fixtures and fitting in net is 8,200. So your total will be 22,850. So your liabilities will be account receivable 4,000 and rent and rates payable 250. So total will be 4,250. So this one minus this one, you get your closing capital 18,600. Question B is asking you to prepare a statement to calculate the profit and loss. Okay, so this is the statement of profit or loss at the end of the 31st December 2017. So how do you calculate it? Okay, you get your closing capital 18,600, then plus with your drawing 4,800. How do you get the 4,800? Okay, let's see here closely. Okay, your 4,800, sorry, this is 4,800, yeah. So this is 400 is the cash 300 and stock 100. So for 1 year 12 months, therefore you get 4,800. Okay, now this is the information given in the questions. Then additional capital 2,500. Okay, then minus your opening capital 9,700. This one, the total will be 12,200. So this one minus this one, you get your net profit 11,200. So this is your net profit. Question C, asking you to prepare statement of financial positions for the period. So remember, yeah, this is the financial positions statement. Okay, how are you going to do? First, find out the asset. Okay, find out the asset. In the asset, we have non-current asset, that is features and fitting in net, yeah. Okay, 8,200. Then your current asset is bank 3,850. Your account receivable is 4,000. Inventory is 6,800. So your total is 14,650. So non-current assets add up with the current asset, you get your total asset of 22,850. Now look at the owner's equity. Owner's equity, we got opening capital 9,700 plus your additional capital is 2,500. Add on your profit 11,200. So total is 23,400. So therefore minus your drawing 4,800. Your drawing is 400 times 12. Okay, 12 months. Therefore you got this one. Okay, so total for owner's equity is 18,600. Okay, then we look at the liability. The current liabilities, account payables is 4,000, rent and rates payables is 250, so total will be 4,250. When you add up this one, owner's equity 18,600 to 4,250, you get 22,850. So the amount here is equal. That means your answer is correct.